Ego is not a problem actually. It is non-existing. Don't give much attention to it. Dispassionately see that ego. You can strengthen it and transcend it. Strengthen your ego and transcend your ego. For that you should isolate the mind at one point. Otherwise it will dissipate here and there. The mind force has to be integrated or crystallized or centralized to one point so that the transcendence will be very easy for you. Here you should not follow any philosophy. You have to find your own philosophy, find your own dharma, find your own discipline. And according to your body and the mind, you have to select that maturity Guru will give you, that maturity to select your own meditation or find your own way. Actually, there are 4 ways are already there. Yoga, Jnana Marga is a path. It takes you to yourself, near yourself. Jnana Marga is an inquiry, a path of inquiry. And Rajamarga is a will, that is to develop the psychic power in you. And Bhakti Marga to channel your emotions now and then and action. Again the Karma Marga. All the 4 yogas are different doors, but it leads to the same path. You should remember that. If you take karma, for example, if you start from action, immediately you should be aware that is a passion behind that action, or the intention behind that action. Little passion, compassion, emotion behind the action. That means you are following the rule of Bhakti Yoga. For that, a proper will should be there, proper sankalpa should be there to do the job till the end. The same zeal, that is Karma Yoga, Raja Yoga. Raja Yoga is about will. And for that will, from deep inside, you should know why you are doing it. It is for your own self-discovery or to fulfill your own self. That is why when you search deep inside, you will come to know the goal, the real goal is to be one with existence. All the yogas together is meditation. It is not separate. Our human being is very fortunate because he is capable of, or he is able to understand, know God. But the objects and the animals, they are not aware of that. You should know this meditation is beyond senses, the sense perception. It is beyond your thinking process. That is, which is beyond emotion. Emotion means hatred, love, all these are emotions. It is beyond. It is beyond your dreams. It is not a mental experience. It is very direct experience, personal experience. When you go inside, you will get that. Nobody will explain it to you. You have to do it for yourself.